Good afternoon. I am Stephanie Quiroz. I am going to talk of positive and negative effects of technology on the environment. I will start answering two questions. First, how do you see the future of the planet? I consider that the planet is suffering the consequence of their actions. Forest changes and diseases by the contamination. If the planet continue like this, the future generations will not exist. Besides, the future will be answered. I wish the planet could be different. Second question, how to mitigate environment damage? If we work in a change, the planet will improve. For the world needs people created the truth of technology may change. For example, pretty future fires and avoiding species extinctions that they could not live. Irreparable. I wish the planet was cleaner and people more aware of the problems and that we pass. Well, now, United Nations should take urgent measures to stop and repair to serious damage caused by the contaminations. Okay, before reduce, reuse, recycle. Thank you.